Hello, I'm Norman. In this video I'll show you how artificial intelligence enhances Excel. Instead of manually keying in the requirements for formulas and macros, you prepare a set of instructions or questions. Then copy and paste them to AI, which produces the results. The speed's like comparing a Grand Prix car to a bicycle. You'll save time and money, produce faster, more accurate results. Seeing is believing, so I'll show you. Have you ever used the macro recorder? You switch it on, then record the macro manually, one step at a time. I use a version of AI called ChatGPT. You prepare a set of instructions for it, then paste them to ChatGPT. What you can see is the ChatGPT input screen. I've paused it just before it starts to produce the code. My instructions are only 10 lines in length. This is the speed ChatGPT processes the instructions. Something like a Grand Prix car accelerating. 12 seconds later I have a macro script with 68 lines of code. But unlike the macro recorder, it contains instructions and notes. The code's top quality. And it gave me notes and guidance in addition to the script. It does the same for formulas. What else does it do? Provides guidance. In other words, it'll suggest optimum ways to approach tasks. Troubleshooting, so no more figuring things out yourself or asking colleagues and wasting their time. Enhance productivity and efficiency. What I showed you's the tip of the iceberg. If you know the secret, it'll revolutionize Excel for you. What's the secret? Knowing which instructions to write and how to phrase the questions. This is where I come in. I run online courses explaining the core concepts. They take 40 minutes. Why am I able to help you in particular? I qualified as an accountant with CIMA and spent 30 years as a VBA programmer developer, automating finance systems. I understand accountancy, Excel and computing in depth. I know what you want, why you want it, and how to deliver it. I'll show you how to apply ChatGPT to Excel because I've studied their interaction for the last year. You've seen one set of results. Apply the concepts I'll show you to your own formulas and macros and begin to build even better workbooks faster. Why only 40 minutes? Because you're only learning two things, instructions and questions. You understand Excel. So does ChatGPT, far better than you do. But you have to give it the right instructions and ask it the right questions. Remember, rubbish in, rubbish out. If your career isn't worth 40 minutes, you don't deserve to succeed. Here are my contact details.